Mist drifts low over the River Tyne, where the wall once began. At Segedunum, fragments of stone lie among the noise of Newcastle, a city that has grown around its Roman foundations. The first steps of the journey follow the river, past bridges and shipyards, before the streets fade and the land begins to open. By evening, the hills rise, and the village of Hadrian-on-the-Wall offers the first quiet rest along the frontier. The following day carries the walker through a gentler landscape. Fields roll out in every direction, dotted with sheep and small churches where the wall lies hidden beneath the earth. The road west leads to Chollerford, where the River North Tyne glitters beneath an ancient stone bridge. Here, the sense of distance from the city is complete, and the countryside begins to whisper with something older. Beyond Chollerford, the land grows wild. The wall reappears, climbing the ridges, stone against sky. At Housesteads, the outline of a Roman fort spreads across the hillside. Barracks, gateways, a granary still intact. To stand here is to feel the eyes of soldiers who once looked north into unknown lands. By nightfall, the trail reaches the hamlet of Once Brood, where stars burn above the darkened crags. The heart of the walk lies in the days that follow. Here, the wall is at its strongest, marching defiantly across the spine of England. It passes the lone sycamore rooted deep between two cliffs, a tree so perfectly framed it feels eternal. Nearby, Vindolanda's stones hold the memories of Roman voices, scratched into wooden tablets, messages preserved by time itself. Across ridges and open horizons, the path moves west, and slowly the land softens. The rugged spine gives way to farmland once more, hedgerows and quiet villages guiding the walker towards Carlisle. The wall here is faint, often just a ripple in the grass. Yet the sense of journey deepens. The great cathedral tower marks the city, a reminder of how centuries layer upon centuries, each civilization building on the last. From Carlisle, the final stretch feels dreamlike. The path follows wide salt marshes and tidal sands, the air rich with the call of birds and the smell of seaweed. The wall itself has vanished, yet its ghost lingers, carrying the walker forward. At last, the path ends at Bowness-on-Solway, where sea and sky blur into one another. To walk from coast to coast along this ancient line is to step through nearly 2,000 years of history. Every mile holds its own story, every stone its own silence. The wall may crumble, but the journey endures, a line across England and across time itself.